Before starting eYantra, we mostly have no idea integrating of hardware and software. We experienced everything, what to consider, what not to consider. The competition has made me like a kid to boy.
The curiosity to learn stuffs and understanding things deeply is a major role in this competition. Engineering is all about learning and exploring stuff. Learn up to the best and never give up.
Before 2 years, I was just a random engineering student who had no idea what to do after joining engineering. After joining eYantra, I had found myself what I like and what I want to do and what I want to be. eYantra is like my mentor and a guide. Taught me who I am, what I need to do, what I am capable of.
Before eYantra, I used to wonder what was robotics exactly. After going through this whole 6-7 months, I got a good exposure to it and I see a very big change in myself.
Before these 6 months, I'm very weak in my actual practical skills. When I have participated in eYantra, I have started to get to know about a lot of different concepts of ROS and real robotics. Now I can confidently say that I'm a really good person in robotics and I have hands-on skills.
What I was 6 months before and what I am now, there's a total 100% change in my attitude to solve the problems.
You don't have to know everything to get into it. You'll just jump in and you'll figure out eventually. It's basically how life works, right?
To participate in this is just learning. Learning is always more joyful than just going along with life.
eYantra provides us a way of structured thinking towards a problem. It develops the thinking power, the critical thinking which we have to grow.
If you are sitting in class for 4 years, then you won't know how the industries works. So eYantra taught us many things that actually works in the industries.
If you can't learn anything more than academics, it doesn't make a good engineer. Like, you have to solve problems, you have to tackle the things.
Standardly, engineering is thought of as like a theoretical subject, but eYantra actually puts the focus on the real world, building stuff, breaking stuff, and then rebuilding again to be better.
We had several issues and then we had to debug it one by one. I really felt like a detective exploring what's the mystery, oh it's happening. That's where I felt like an engineer.
The main responsibility of the engineers is to observe and solve the real world problems. After participating in this competition, we feel like a real engineer.
The studying, it will be there for maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, but when we implement it, we see it working, we will literally have it in our brains for so many years. So
that's when we feel we are engineers, we are engineering students.
eYantra helped us actually experience what engineering is really like. Across 8 months, it has not just helped us understand how code works, but actually helped us become better engineers. So I hadn't even touched a screwdriver in campus.
I loved actually getting hands-on with it, and that was the moment I felt like, okay, I have actually made truly dependable code that can be run in a real world and have real world application.